Hello guys, welcome back to SaaS Ltd deals. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to our channel to get the best lifetime deals on SaaS software. I'm back with another review and today I'm going to review PhotoGPT AI. So PhotoGPT AI is a tool that is going to turn your casual selfies into professional headshots. So basically you can turn any of your photos, any photos where you are clearly seen, you can turn those photos into professional headshots. But other than that, you can also reimagine your photo, reimagine yourself into different environments, such as it could be in a beach, it could be, for example, you are in the space, you are an astronaut, and then you can also reimagine your photo on various fantasy worlds. So PhotoGPT has various themes for that, so you can place yourself on different environments through PhotoGPT. So how does this tool does that exactly? So it is going to do that by your own model. So what you can do is create your own AI model, AI image model that can be trained on your photos and trained on every details of you. For example, your ethnicity, your gender, your age, all of these different parameters are also going to be considered when creating the AI image model. And PhotoGPT is currently available on Appsumo as a lifetime deal. The regular price is over $80, but at Appsumo you are getting this tool at only $69. Now let's have a look at all the plans and features. So here are all the tiers on top and also the features on the left side. So the tier 1 is going to cost $69. Here you are going to get 2000 credits per month. So this is amazing because I have seen many headshots that are on lifetime deal. They are going to give you one-time credit, but on PhotoGPT you are not going to face that. You are going to get credits per month, which is going to renew every month. So on the tier 1 the credit is 2k. On the tier 2 the credit is going to be 6k. And the highest tier is tier 3 that is going to cost $349 with 12,000 credits per month. And then you can also see how many AI models, how many AI image models, human AI image models you can train per month. So on the tier 1 you can do only 1, on tier 2 4, and on the tier 3 you can create 8 different human AI models every month. And there are also various expert curated presets. You can also use them. On the tier 1 and tier 2 the limit is only 25, but on the tier 3 you're going to get access to 100 plus expert curated presets. And then there are also some other features such as additional aspect ratio. So this is not going to be available on the tier 1, so keep that in mind. And then there is also image upscaling, high resolution image upscaling, but this is not going to be available on 1 and 2. You are going to get that only on tier 3. And then you can also generate personal headshots. There is going to be inbuilt AI models for image generation, which means you can also generate any images for any different purpose other than just headshots. And then there is going to be AI assisted text to image generation, AI powered prompt generator, optimized aspect ratio for social media. So these features are going to be available on all of the tiers. So if you want to buy PhotoGPT on a lifetime deal from Appsumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. Also, if you're new to Appsumo, you can get 10% off your first purchase. Watch the full video till the end to know how. Now let me show you how this tool is going to work. So here is the website of PhotoGPT, and as you can see, all of the photos that you see here, all of these are actual real persons. So these animated images, the cartoon images, these are also generated from actual person. And then at the bottom you can also see these images. They are also real. Obviously the environment, the dress up, these are not real, but the person is very real. And the same goes for this one, the professional headshot and also a casual photo. So let me show you all the different themes that are available. So if I go to these presets, I can show you all the themes. So these are all the different themes that you're going to get with PhotoGPT. So obviously you can also reimagine your photos onto any of these platforms, any of these themes. As you can see, there is soccer, astronaut, street style. So there are various themes for various different purposes. It could be professional or even entertaining or something else. No matter what you want, almost all of the different types of environments that you can need, they are going to be available on here. So now let me show you the dashboard. Okay, so here is the dashboard of PhotoGPT. So from here you can start creating your images. And as you can see, all you have to do is just describe your image, describe what kind of image you want. And obviously you have to select the model first. You have to select from this left side. So once you create your model, as you can see, I already have one model. So once you have your model, and obviously you have to train your model with your own images. And once you do that, once the training process is complete, you can select the model and then you can ask the AI exactly what kind of photo you want to generate from this model. So for example, if you want to reimagine yourself in an astronaut suit, you can exactly pinpoint that, exactly describe that on this box. And then if you turn this on, it is going to enhance the prompt, enhance your overall prompt, and then you can generate your photos. But the most important part is obviously having your own model. And how to create your own model? Just click on this create new model. Okay, so here is the model creation page. From here you can start creating your models, and in order to do that you have to click on start. And then first of all you have to select what is the gender. For example, I want to train AI with my own images, so I'm just going to choose man, and then I have to choose the age, and then I have to choose the eye color. I'm going to keep it black, and then the ethnicity, so I'm going to keep it Asian, and then also I have to provide a name, and then I have to click on next step. So now is the most important part. You have to upload some clear images of you, at least 12 images. The more you do, the better it is. So I'm just going to show you how to do that. Okay, so as you can see, I have uploaded one image. So here's that image. Obviously one image is not enough. You have to at least upload 12 images. But for this video purpose, I'm just going to keep one image. And then all I have to do is just click on start model training. And keep in mind, once you want to create a model, it is going to cost 1500 credits. So make sure you keep that in mind. So this is exactly how you can super easily create your model. As you can see, here's the model that is already appearing. Obviously the training is not completed. In order to do that, I have to upload more images and then click on start model training. So this is exactly how you can super easily create the model. And once the model is ready, it is going to appear on here, as you can see. Obviously it is appearing, but it is not ready. So if I select my model, and then all I have to do is just describe what kind of image I want to create through this model. And then I have to click on generate, and then the AI is going to generate exactly that image with myself on that image. So let me choose a pre-given character, pre-given model on here. That is this Selena. So this is a model of a female, 22 years old. So let me try this model. Let me try to generate something. So for example, this is going to be my prompt, and as you can see, I have selected this Selena, this particular model, and now I want to generate some image. Let me see what I get. So as you can see, I have created two images, generated two images using this particular model Selena, and as you can see, the picture is very consistent among both of the images, and you can also see some details about the image from this right side, and also the prompt that has been used. Obviously, I have generated a very basic image, but you can also customize this image with various presets or themes. So here are various presets. So you can generate the image on a professional theme, on a glamour theme, on graduation Instagram. So these are various different presets that you can use in order to reimagine yourself on different environments, as you can see. Okay, there are a lot of presets, and you can also mark this in order to generate general purpose image. And there are also some other advanced options that you can adjust when generating images. For example, you can choose the resolution, you can choose how many images you want, how many steps you want, and then you can also choose the seed from here. And let me show you some images that are generated by PhotoGPT. So as you can see, these are all the different images, and keep in mind, all of these people are real. This particular person is real. This person also has some more images. As you can see, here is another one, another image of the same person. So here is that person. As you can see, just like this, you can reimagine your photos into different environments. So here is another image of the same person. So here is the image. So as you can see, just like this, you can reimagine your photos into different environments. You can also see the comedic creations from here. So astronaut, and then bohemian, and cyberpunk, fitness, European vacation, cyborg. So there are different environments on here. And keep in mind, all of the people that you're seeing on these images, they are real. But what the AI does is reimagine these photos into different environments, different themes or presets. For example, it could also be a professional photos. So these are also all the professional photos. And then you can also see all the photos from this passport. You can also create high quality images for your passport if you want. So overall, I think PhotoGPT is an excellent tool that lets you turn your casual selfies or other photos of you into headshots, or you can also use PhotoGPT for turning your casual photos into other environments. For example, it could be on a fantasy world, it could be on a park, it could be anywhere that you can imagine. And the process is super easy. All you have to do is just create 12 images. You have to upload 12 images of you, and then you have to give some information such as your age, your ethnicity, your gender, and then PhotoGPT is going to train an image model on all of the photos, and then you can start creating photos with yourself into different presets or themes or environments. So if you want to buy PhotoGPT on a lifetime deal from Appsumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. With this tool, you are going to get all these tiers, and on the left side you can see all of the features that are going to be available.
So if you are new to Appsumo, you can get 10% off your first purchase. For that, go to the link in the description, and once you enter the link, you are going to get a pop-up like this, and on this box you have to provide your email, then click on unlock my 10%, and then you will get a link in your email. Go to that link, and this way you can get 10%. You have to use it from Appsumo credits gift, and this 10% discount is only for new customers. You can also join our SaaS discussion group on Facebook to get latest updates on SaaS software, exciting discounts, and attractive giveaways just like this.